children lost their lives because of the reckless actions of Thomas Croker. On the 10th of August 2016, Mr. Croker made the decision to change his music on his phone whilst driving a lorry at 50 miles per hour. His lorry hit a queue of stationary traffic and took the lives of Tracy, Ethan, Josh and my daughter Amy. He was so distracted, he made no attempt to slow down. Anyone using a mobile whilst driving is guilty of dangerous driving. We urge you to make a personal commitment to stop using mobile phones whilst driving and make our roads safer for everyone.